Have you been using All Out, Goodnight, Mortein or Odomos to keep the mosquitoes away? If yes, then this video is for you, as in this video I'm going to discuss with you what actually goes inside making these chemical based mosquito repellents and what are the suspected health problems associated with them. Also, I will share with you the best natural ways to keep these irritating insects away. Watching this video till the end, you might just end up changing the mosquito repellents you have been using. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Believe it or not, mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on the planet. Yes, it is shocking, but when it comes to killing humans, no other animal even comes close. With dengue, malaria, chikungunya and many other deadly diseases, mosquito bites kill over 7.5 lakh people every year. What's disturbing is that these deadly animals freely roam in our homes, especially in this season. So obviously we use mosquito repellents to protect ourselves from the mosquitoes. But have you ever gone through the ingredient list of these chemical based mosquito repellents? Are they poisonous only to mosquitoes and not to us? Well, the danger signs and too many warnings on the label suggest otherwise. Transflurthin and BHT are common active ingredients used in a base of deodorized kerosene in vaporizer based mosquito repellents. Wikipedia mentions that transflurthin, if used contrary to product instructions, may cause symptoms of poisoning, including nervousness, anxiety, tremor, convulsions, skin allergies, sneezing, running nose and irritation. And what scares me the most is that no specific antidote is known. This is not what just I am saying, even the brands acknowledge it. That is why these mosquito repellents come with so many warnings. This pack of All Out has way more number of warnings than a pack of cigarettes. A cigarette box very boldly mentions the warnings on it, whereas these companies making mosquito repellents very smartly mentions these warnings in smaller fonts, which most of us tend to ignore. I'm not trying to deduce which one is more dangerous, but at least the warning label should be very clearly mentioned. Let me very quickly take you through it. The very first warning says doors and windows should be kept open while using. Now, how many of us use an All Out with windows open? The first thing that we do to keep the mosquitoes away is close all the windows and then switch on a mosquito repellent. Another precautionary measure that the pack mentions is that avoid inhalation while using. Come on, sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, is it even possible not to inhale the air which has mixed proportions of the chemicals used in this vaporizer? Do they expect us to wear a mask and then sleep? This pack comes with many such warnings. And then there are other types of mosquito repellents like Odomos, which we apply on the skin, or Goodnight Coil, which do not clearly mention what exactly have they used to make that mosquito repellent. Overall, all these commercial mosquito repellents use chemicals which do more harm than good. So what do? Obviously, we can't let mosquitoes bite us. Historically in India, we have been using mosquito nets, neem oil lamps to keep the mosquitoes away. But let's face it, these are not very practical options for most of us. Actually, there are many plants like basil, citronella, lavender and rosemary which naturally repel the mosquitoes. What I mean to say is that there are quite a few products online which are made from the essential oils produced from these plants. These natural mosquito repellents come in the form of vaporizers, coils, creams, gels, sprays, fabric roll-ons, incense sticks and even patches. I'm not recommending you any one particular brand. You can go online, search for natural mosquito repellents and you will get so many options. And these essential oil based natural mosquito repellents won't rip off your pocket either. This eucalyptus oil based natural mosquito repellent vaporizer will cost you almost the same price as that of All Out or Goodnight. So next time when you look to buy a mosquito repellent for yourself or for your family, make sure you read the list of the ingredients. Quite possibly you can even argue that you have been using these chemical based mosquito repellents all these days, but you have not faced any health issues so far. Yes, our body's immunity is much higher than that of mosquitoes, but inhaling the air mixed with such poisonous substances for 7 to 8 hours every night will surely put an adverse effect on your health. My idea of making this video was to make you aware about the suspected health problems associated with these chemical based mosquito repellents and to push you to switch to safer options which fortunately are now available. To make things easier for you, I have linked down in the description box some of these natural mosquito repellents. I want to thank pickleshickle.com for partnering with us for this video. Pickles along with meals has been the specialty of Indian cuisine. Not only pickles make the meals tastier and spicier, but also provide us with the most essential probiotics which help in digestion. And Pickle Shickle presents to you a creative variety of pickles for both vegetarian and non-vegetarian lovers. Jackfruit, lotus stem, mushroom, chicken, prawns, pork and ghost. Pickle Shickle's pickles are a family recipe handed down over 3 generations. What makes me recommend them to you is that they use no artificial flavors, colors or preservatives unlike most other commercial pickle brands. Talking to the owner, I got to know that they make pickles personally at their house in Mumbai in small batches to ensure quality. And you know, their pickles go with all kinds of cuisines, not just dal chawal. Even the recipes are up on their website. I highly recommend you to buy their pickles by clicking on the link down in the description box. They are even providing a discount of 10% to the FitTuber community. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, you can let me know in the comment section if you would want me to talk about some other consumer product. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.